Alright, so I have a big one here. It is a powertech-on inverter, and I'll do a little bit of an unboxing. Don't know if I'm going to be able to power it up right now, but we will see. So there it is. It's a 3000 watt continuous 6000 watt surge 12 volt inverter. So let's have a look at it. Okay, so this thing comes out, and this thing comes out. This thing is like 3 times the size of the other one I have. I guess the other one I have is it's a 500 watt or a 600 watt continuous. This is 3000, so it's 5 times the power. So I wonder if it's going to be 5 times the size. It doesn't look quite 5 times the size, but yeah. Input 12 volt DC, 300 amps. They send two. They seem like moderately heavy gauge cable. So see those. One side seems to have like a pretty decent size bore, and the other ones are pretty small. So we'll see where those go. So this is how it looks when it's just come out of the box. There's a remote starting switch here as well. See what that's like. You can see that thing. Don't know how long that is, but there you go. And then this thing. So this is what comes in the bag. You have those cables, this shock-proof pad insulation, gives you a few like insulators here. Has the manual. This is the PS104. So there's that, and this thing. So there you have it, the PS104 pure sine wave powertech-on inverter. I like the smaller one that I got, so that's why I'm trying this one out as well. I want to see the input voltage on it. Just give me one moment. So what I was looking for is on the box right here where it says 10 to 16 volt DC, because I'm running these lithium ion batteries that I'm making, and I charge each cell up to 4 volts, and you can see it goes up to pretty close to 16 volts. This one's only at 15.1 right now, but I can charge it, with each cell at 4, then it goes up to 16 volts, and then I can run this thing. So that's the idea, and planning on running this RV off of it and charging a bunch of other stuff. So I will let you know how that goes as time goes along. But this is what's in the box: the inverter, the manual, some insulators, 2 cables, decently gauged, I don't know, 3000 watts. Maybe you'll want to add a third one, but I can get those, and then this thing right here. So all right, till next time, keep on rethinking.